Designed for the modern day user. Our special guest, Mr. Chad Allen, is going to jump in with our amazing Spin Power Ultimate Deluxe. And first of all, I have to give credit where credit's due, and I hope you're not mad at me for saying this, but ladies and gentlemen, Chad Allen had 4 wisdom teeth pulled out about 2 hours ago. I'd be on the floor. Chad, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling like the 5 flex pay expire tonight. So this is the last chance. They literally called me. I'm on the couch, ice packs. And they say, Chad, would you do it? And I said, well, okay, well, who's hosting, who's producing? And then they told me, and I said, okay. And they said, but the 5 flex is gone tonight. And I said, oh, then I'll get up. I got to do it.
Thank you, Chad. We love you.
You know, I don't miss an opportunity to bring a good deal. I love it. So this comes to us from Bell+Howell, a company that's been around over 110 years making quality products. They've been here at this network for a decade, which just tells you the power of the brand here. Y'all love it, and we know that. So this is the Spin Power. Has an extension cord that goes out 4 feet, but winds back up. It's a retractable extension cord. But what are we really doing? We're solving the problem of the power strip and the surge protector, because the Spin Power happens to be a surge protector, and also the extension cords. We use these things because we want to protect our electronics. We don't have enough outlets in our home, but also extension cords make a lot of sense because outlets are on the wall and we want them closer to us. So the Spin Power, Bell+Howell, innovating everything, brings the outlet to where we need it. Plug it in at the wall, bring this up to the end table where your favorite recliner is or the couch, plug it in under your desk, bring it on top of your desk, and then you have 6 USB ports. You have 4 the 3-prong outlets, so that means you can plug in your computers, your Keurig coffee machines like I have here. Yeah, my Keurig is plugged into my Spin Power, along with, at the same exact time, my iPad, my cell phone, my Theragun massager, my portable Idea Play charger, my Apple iWatch, my Radical Racer, you know those cars that drive on the wall? Everything needs charge and everything needs power. And it is going to be a home, a central hub for everything you need. And they've even gone down, Adam, to the organization, giving you 3 spots on top to be able to take the storage vertical, the clutter off your countertop. But Adam, for your girl, Chelsea, your wife, Chelsea Freeman, hot iron, curling iron, blow dryer. There's never enough outlets in a bathroom. This is going to solve all those problems.
You know her so well. That's the thing, Chad. That's exactly it. There's a lot to unpack with what Chad's just said. We're going vertical. It's less messy. We're clearing the clutter. We're bringing the outlets up rather than down there. Because whenever you need to plug something in, we've got to bend right down and try and find into it and then unplug it because you need to plug something else in. Let's bring the power where we need it, where we can see it, where we can access it. And not just 1 or 2, but we're going to take 1 outlet and turn it into 10. So you can power 10 things at once. You've got the amazing USB ports in there. It's got the retractable cord. Why is that important? Because that retractable cord can be as short or as long, really, as you need it to be. So many of us, we never know what length we need. With this, because it's going to be retractable, I'm not having the extra, the mess, the surplus. It's just everything in one amazing design, which is why Bell+Howell are selling bucket loads of them. Not just at HSN, but everywhere. If you buy ours, you get the ultimate. So this is the Ultimate Deluxe, which is the best anywhere. We've got 4 minutes left. Chad said it, and I'll repeat it. That 5 flex pay is going away. It is going away basically right now. This is the last presentation, $29.99. And let's say it as it is, Chad. For that price, even if you and I were just to go to the home store and we were buying regular outlet extenders and cords, we'd probably spend roughly that anyway for something that's nowhere near as good.
Absolutely. In fact, you'd pay that for this unit that's not Ultimate Deluxe on our infomercial. So here's the difference. I know because a lot of you have already seen it. You were writing me questions on my TVchad page. Here is why you should buy it from HSN and not from Bell+Howell directly, quite frankly. It's because they've upgraded everything. The USB ports on this are 2.1 amp. What does that mean? It means your phones are going to charge faster. Your tablets are going to charge faster. It's called a rapid charge. I don't want to wait around for my phone to charge. I'm busy. We're all doing things. Rapid charge USB ports. And then the outlets that we're so used to seeing, they've made them the 3-prong outlets. So as we pointed out many times, you're taking just one 3-prong outlet and you're turning it into 10. But it doesn't stop there. It really does accommodate anything and everything. The big chunky blocks that take up half of a power strip. Well, here's the outlet on one side of it, and here's the outlet on the other side of it, completely exposed. You get to actually utilize what you're buying. What a revolution, right? And not only that, the rapid charge alone is worth the price of admission all day, every day. We're giving you back time. We're giving you back the energy that you wait and wait and wait for your phone to charge. So, Adam, I got a question for you.
Yeah.
How many times have you purchased something and it comes with this?
Oh, gosh.
Just comes with a USB cord.
Yeah, absolutely.
Doesn't come with the brick. You got to go buy those separately. I do remember, I'm sure you do too, a time where everything came with a way to plug it into an outlet.
Yeah.
And then we had to start switching over our outlets with USBs. Well, with this, you're getting 6 USB outlets, so you never have to worry about where those bricks are or purchasing anything ever again. There is no additional cost associated with this. You plug it in. I don't care if it's a full appliance, your toaster, your Keurig, your hot iron, your blow dryer, it doesn't matter. It is a surge protector. So you get the on-off switch in case there's, like a lightning strike. We all know why we need a surge protector, but also there is overcharge protection. So even if you leave all your devices plugged in all night and you're worried about your battery overcharging, you don't have to. It'll automatically turn that port off and it doesn't overcharge. Adam, Bell+Howell has really gone above and beyond and made the ultimate deluxe version for HSN.
There's so many reasons to buy it. This is one of those great products where it's like, yeah, this makes a lot of sense. I like it. Mobility issues, inconvenience, the outlets are down low for all those reasons. I like the fact it's up high. It might be on the nightstand. It might be on the side table. It might be on the kitchen counter. It might be on the bathroom counter. It might be in the garage, in the shed, in the workplace. It could be anywhere. And I can turn it, twist it. I've got access to all these outlets. So there's convenience there. I can store my electronics safely and securely out the way. Again, clearing the clutter. I've got the surge protection, and we know how important that is for some of our more valuable electronics. And then we have that other side to the story that Chad just mentioned, and that's the rapid charge. But for so many of us, this is something we're really starting to notice the difference with. Sometimes you'll plug something in, and it will charge faster than other times. These outlets that you're getting are gonna help your phone charge faster. And that's a great thing, right? Then the battery's boosted quicker. So we hope you get it. I think the retractable cord is brilliant. No excess cord where you don't need it. It's much cleaner and tidier. It's a great product, an innovative product from Bell+Howell, and this is what they focus in on. Okay, with nearly 800 people placing orders right now, it is the last moment to get it on 5 FlexPay. So if you want the brilliance of FlexPay, but you want the convenience of 5 Flex, it is here and now at $6. If it's available tomorrow, that Flex goes back down to 3, which is still good, but the extra FlexPay makes it more affordable. Obviously, you could buy more than one of these, and I'm pretty certain you're gonna use them. Chad, you said, we're all at home more now than perhaps we've ever been, but from working at home, schooling at home, everybody's got gadgets and gizmos. We need these power outlets, right?
We do, and that's why we buy things like this, surge protectors, extension cords. Unfortunately, we're not living or standing next to a wall so we can plug things in. You can bring the outlets to you. Just pull the cord as long as you need it. The garage, the shed, where there's places where there's only one outlet. I only have 2 on my backsplash, but if I pull up my toaster or my, my oven, my little toaster oven or my Keurig, I need more than that, and especially, I'm not the only buddy, but in the bathroom. Never enough outlets. With this, you're getting the USB ports, and all the 3-prong outlets, which accommodates everything, the organization on top. And if you're a parent who says that at 8 o'clock every night, I want to see those electronics on the counter, I want to know where they're at, you're in control how you command your spend power, but there's a lot of ways to use it. And I hope you get yours because, Adam, I'm not scheduled with this until Saturday morning with Guy again.
Well, my friend, I want to tell you how much I appreciate you doing it after having 4 wisdom teeth pulled out just a couple hours ago. You are my hero. Thank you, Chad Allen. We appreciate you. Take care, my friend.
Bye-bye. Thanks.
Go get some rest. All right, folks.